Praise the Lord. Though there are many reasons for jealousy, we can see two reasons where somebody can get jealous of. First is jealousy because of favoritism. If we see in the life of Joseph from Genesis chapter 37, verse 11, here Joseph brothers, they were jealous of Joseph because of their father Jacob's clear favoritism towards Joseph, and that drove them to sell Joseph into slavery. Again, if we see, when God favored Abel's offering, Cain became deeply jealous because of Abel's offering. And since God favored Abel's offering. So here we see how favoritism brings jealousy. Also, if we see from the chapter Luke, verse chapter 15, verse 25 to 30, where a bitter and jealous older brother, because of the celebration father gave to his returning younger brother in the parable of the prodigal son. So here we see the certain areas where jealousy was because of favoritism. Then we can see when someone is already below someone else, then they will be jealous of, like how it happened in the life of David. Here King Saul's jealousy, we see how it stemmed from his deep insecurity because of David's popularity and the success what David had. It made the king to fear that David would uh, come, or he will be uh, in his throne. So this is because in the spiritual realm already he was above Saul. He was already favored from God, already chosen by God, and that made Saul to get jealous of David. So if we see even about Joseph brothers also, Joseph saw the dream and he shared with his brothers. So we could understand that God had already chosen Joseph above his brother. So, in the spiritual realm, when somebody has grown up or somebody has been chosen by God above someone else, above anybody, then there will be a season of jealousy, uh, and that is what we can see from the incidents what we just quoted from the Bible. So we can understand favoritism brings jealousy, and also when somebody is already above in the spiritual realm chosen by God, so even the people in the authorities or people whom seem physically above us will get jealous. So it happened in the life of David, how Saul was already in the authority, but he was jealous of David because in the spiritual realm David was already higher and above Saul. God bless you.